everyone, quick update from my build and public journey. So I've been experimenting like crazy with AI agents lately. And honestly, I've burned through a ton of credits and usage limits without realizing how fast it was adding up. So I decided to fix that by building something for myself first. It's an AI workflow tracker. It's a simple way to keep my experiments lean, trackable, and accountable. And this isn't just about cost. It's about learning faster, building smarter, and making sure every agent I create actually drives impact and not just noise. And over the next few weeks, my personal goals are knowing exactly what I've spent, see which experiments led to real wins, catch myself before I overcomplicate agents, and get my explore cost down as I get better at scoping, and keep a clear log of lessons learned, not just vague memories. Since I'm building in public, I'm committing everything to GitHub so you can follow along from my early test HTML files to final agents. But yeah, so this is my HTML example, and I'm also exploring repeat here. As far as my setup, right now I am running Claude Code locally in my terminal. I'm starting fresh and keeping it as simple as possible. And to kick things off, I built a super lightweight HTML test just to visualize and log my agent runs. Nothing fancy, just enough to test ideas fast. And if I get time later on, I'll extend this into Replete or Cursor, since I already have this. I can test this in Cursor just to visualize. And since, for example, here in Cursor is already native, AI integration could make experimentation smoother. And I'm also planning to explore N8N. It's great for connecting services and automating parts of my workflow without overbuilding too early. So for now, I'll do the lightweight HTML plus the Claude Code setup so that it will keep me fast, focused, and cheap. Let's see in here. Yeah, just want to bring it along. I'm so excited about installing this code in my terminal. And as I experimented, this is like one of the output of that. And of course, I'm also doing some vibe coding using the Replete, which is very early version. All right. And also lately, I've learned about the 6-step workflow, which is this one that I've learned from the Migrant course. Building an agent app is actually what inspired me to start doing this in Claude Code. And they have this ideation workflow that helps structure how you build semi-autonomous agents. The focus here is autonomy and not just automation. And they mention about like problem framing. And I also included that in my Replete in here so that it will always be a reminder for me as well. So this is what I'm going to do next, like the problem framing, assumption challenging, etc. So it's like a 6-step process there. So yeah, why this matters? So this whole thing is about tracking learning per dollar spent. And when you can see where your time and credits actually go and which experiments deliver ROI, you evolve as a builder fast. And it's not about doing more, it's about doing smarter. What's next for me? So this first agent build with Claude Code is this AI workflow tracker. And from there, I'll build out other use cases, applying the same 6-step framework I learned from Maven. And I'll keep experimenting with N8N, Cursor, Replete, and Claude Code to see how they can all play together in creating semi-autonomous workflows. But for now, I'm happy with both of my simple HTML prototype and the Replete that I'll be working on. And by the way, everything's live on GitHub. It's over here. And I'll keep sharing progress, results, and lessons learned along the way. Because for me, this is all about staying lean, learning fast, and building smarter, one agent at a time. Thank you.